Hello dear students, welcome to VPM classes. So today we will take out the chapter matrices. So we'll take out some questions from KCET as well as JEE with easy to crack. So here is your first question. What it is? If A is a M cross N matrix such that both AB matrix and BA matrix are defined, then B is a matrix of order what? Okay. Here are your options A, B, C and D. Okay, let's solve this. So here there is a matrix A of order what? M cross N, and B is a matrix of order we don't know, but he says that AB matrix is well defined. Easy to crack this. AB is well defined. So well defined ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? The matrix AB is well defined when the column of this matrix is equals to row of the second matrix B. It means here it is N, so therefore this will be what? N. Okay, so now again I will take out this B matrix with row N, and we don't know what it will be, its column, and A matrix is already given with order M cross N, and he says that BA is defined. BA is what? Defined. So when the matrix B into A will be defined here, when the column of this matrix B is equals to row of the matrix A, then only we can get BA. Yes or no? Therefore here the row will be M, so this will be what? M itself. So now I got a matrix B of order N cross M. Therefore my answer B will be the right one. Dear students, here is my second question. Let's go for the solution. So here if a matrix A plus B 2, 5, AB is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8, then the value of A and B are. So we know that when the matrices are equal, when the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are what? Equal. So here A plus B is equal to what? 6. A plus B is equal to 6, as well as this A into B is equal to what? Corresponding element? A, 8. So A into B will be what? 8. So let's check out the option A, option B, option C directly. So as well option C is not given. So let me check option A and as well as option B. So if I take A value as 2 and B value as 4, okay, what will happen? This will be 2 plus 4 as well is equal to 6, and 2 into 4 will be what? 8. Yes, it holds good. Hagadru kuda, let's check this B also. Who knows? It may be also correct. So if I take 4 value as A and 2 as B, what happens? Again 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ option A and option B ಎರಡು match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Therefore my option C will be what? Right answer. Okay. So most of the students commit a mistake that they will take A as directly, but please check other option also. Okay. So next move towards the next question. So students, here is your third question on matrices. What is given? If A is a matrix of order 3, A is a matrix of order 3 such that A into adjoint of A is equal to 10 times of identity matrix, then what is the determinant of adjoint of A? So solution nodana illi. Let us take out A is a matrix of order 3 anta ide. So order of matrix is given, that is N is given, that is 3, and we know that A into adjoint of a matrix is always equal to what? Determinant of A into I irutte. Okay, so by comparing with this what happens? A into adjoint of that matrix is always equal to he has given that 10 times of I. So by comparing with this, we will get determinant of A value. Determinant of A will be what? 10. And also we know that determinant of adjoint of A is always equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1 irutte. That is, here n will be the what? order of matrix. Please remember this point as well as this point. Okay, those two are very important and they will help you. Therefore, here I got what is my determinant of A by comparing. I got that is 10 to the power and order kottidane. Order is here 3 it is. Therefore, it is 3 minus 1 that is equal to 10 to the power 2. That will be what? 100. So here option C will be the right one. So here is your fourth question, dear students. Let me check this. So let me the solution here. So if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 4 and B is a matrix such that both A dash B and B A dash are defined, then B is a matrix of order what? So here is your option A, B, C and D. Let me check out. Since A is a matrix of order 3 cross 4 ide, okay na? So what will be its transpose here? Let's check out A dash. Transpose matrix andre ಏನ್ರಿ? It will be what? The rows will become columns, column will become rows. Everything will get interchanges here. That is, it will become what? 4 cross 3. Row will become columns, columns will become rows. Okay na? Again, since what he says that if both A dash B as well as B A dash are defined, let us take out A dash. A dash is a matrix of order what? 4 cross 3. Okay. And B is a matrix, another matrix. We don't know what will be its rows and columns. Since he is there says that A dash B is well defined. So A dash B yaವಾಗ define ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? When the column of this matrix A dash will be equals to this row of B matrix. So it will be what? 3 here. It will be what? 3. Okay na? Next what happens? Since again he says that B A transpose. B A transpose is also well defined. Let us take out here A transpose matrix is of order 4 cross 3 ಇದೆ. Okay. Then he says that B A transpose is also well defined. Well defined ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? When, since I got the row of B matrix will be 3, when it will be defined, this will be defined only when the column of B matrix will be equals to row of this transpose matrix. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ultimately I got the B matrix as 3 cross 4. Therefore option B will be the right one. So here is your another question. Solution ನೋಡೋಣ. So what is given? If a square matrix A of ij of order m cross n is called to be lower triangular matrix if A of ij is equal to 0 for what condition? So ನೋಡೋಣ, first we have to know what is square matrix. Square matrix means what? Square matrix means number of rows must be is equal to number of columns. Okay, so that we called it as what? Square matrix. So here let me take out A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So row and column ಕೂಡ same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Since it is lower triangular matrix means what? Let us suppose take out, I will take triangle A as 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 7. Illodi. Let us take out 1 3 7. This is a diagonal and the lower part are entries are present. Only upper entries are what? 0. So this will be what? Lower triangular. Illodi. Lower triangular irutte, upper entries 0 irutte. So let us take out, this is some value is like 2. This is 0 and this is 0 and this 1 you can take minus 2. Here it is 0. Again 5 4 3. Okay. This value and this value are equal to 0. Which entries they are? Which entries, how we can write it? So we can write it as this value. This is your A11, this is your A12 and this is your A13 and this is your this is A 2 1 and this minus 2 is your A 2 2 and this 0 value is what? Your A 2 3. Let's check out. A 1 1 2 ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ಎಂಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. That is A of 1 2 is 0, A of 1 3 is 0 and A of 2 3 is 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 1 means what? I value and J value ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ 0 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿರೋದು A12 A13 and A23. Here 1 is greater than or 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ 1 is less than 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 1 is less than 2. Therefore 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3. They all are what? I values and these are what? J values. So I is strictly less than what? J. So here my option B will be the right one. So students, there is an interesting question is here. Check out this. If AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B matrix, where A and B are a matrix of order m cross n, then which of this condition holds good? Okay na? Nodana illi. Since A into B is equal to what? A ide and B into A is equal to what? B ide. Okay na? So here I will say this as since AB matrix is there, I will write A into bracket and that is equal to A. So here B value I will take it from this. B value is what? BA. Okay now I will write this as B into A. Since associative property holds good here, I will write this as A into B of A. That is equal to what? A. Okay now. So here I will write this as what? A into B into bracket A. Okay. Again AB value is already given. AB value is what? AB value is A is given. So I will replace this by again A into A, that is equal to what? A. So A into A will be what? A square, that is equal to A. So here my option C will be the right one. Now ನೀವು BA and B use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು B square is equal to B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Since my option is not given, therefore B square B is not my option. Okay na? So this is how we have to solve this interesting one. So here is another interesting question. Look at this. For any square matrix means both rows and columns are equal, A and A transpose is of the type. First A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Let us take it is 2 cross 2 ಇದೆ. Okay na? And its transpose is A transpose again will be what? With the same 2 rows 2 column will be what? 2 column 2 rows same ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is also 2 cross 2 ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What they are asking, A and A transpose is of which type? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, unit matrix ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? If A is a one matrix and if I multiply with something with another any matrix, you can say you can't able to get I matrix. So unit matrix sigalla. So however option A is wrong. So diagonal matrix option is there. Diagonal matrix is what? Let us take out A is a matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix. Okay. Let us take out it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is also diagonal matrix, or you can call it as a unit matrix, or you can take a 2 3 4 here. Diagonal elements bit 2, remaining all elements will be what? 0. This is what? Diagonal matrix. So of course this is not possible because multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂತೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. So option D is also not correct one. Now my option will be what? Either B or C. Okay. When we call it as matrix is symmetric, if A is a matrix is said to be symmetric, then A must be equal to what? A transpose. And if a matrix A is equal to minus of its transpose, then it is called as what? Skew symmetric. This is what condition for a symmetric agutte. So now I will take out this A and A transpose as a D matrix. D is equal to A and A transpose anta ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Let us take out its transpose. D transpose is equal to what? A into A transpose of transpose agutte. By property, if you write that AB whole transpose, that will be what? B transpose and A transpose. So according to this, this will be what? A transpose of transpose and A transpose. A transpose of transpose ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Again it is A transpose. So now I got the value